Hi guys, so I'm finally back with an update about my lock extensions. Thank you to everybody who followed me, and let's get into the video. So yeah, I've had my lock extensions for about 1 year and 10 months now, and I thought I would make a video about the journey so far. If you watched my previous video, you saw that I basically installed my locks myself. I made them myself. I bought the hair from a shop called Maconstyles. And after all these months, I can say that the hair is great. I have no complaints about the hair at all. I think I bought 6 packs of their 8-inch hair or the 6-inch. I'm not sure, one of those two. So I just got the African bulk hair, which is a human hair, and I just made the locks myself and tried to find all the information I could get on how to make the lock extensions. Which what? There's a plane. I live close to an airport and the planes. So I went online and looked for all the information I could get about how to make lock extensions, because to be honest, even though it's only been 1 year and 8 months, the information online about making lock extensions has really skyrocketed. I'm honest. When I was looking for information at that time, there wasn't a lot to find. But one YouTuber that really helped me was AJ Locs. She basically was also going on a lock journey, and she posted every step from buying the hair to making the locks. So I basically followed her steps. And what happens when you follow somebody who's also doing lock extensions their first time is that you make the same mistakes. So I definitely did make some mistakes in the beginning. One of the mistakes I made was that the way I installed my locks was not that good, to be honest. But I'm not a professional. I just decided to do it. So it's completely fine that I had to make some mistakes in the beginning. For instance, I think I didn't use the right needle, the right size of needle, because this is the needle I bought to start my locks with. It's 2mm crochet needle, and it's too thick to make lock extensions with, for me at least. I needed something a lot smaller. So I eventually had to go in and redo all my locks with 0.5mm crochet needle. This one has 2 ends, but you can just buy one with 1 end, that's fine. I bought this at AliExpress, by the way. It's not that great of a quality, to be honest, but it gets the job done. Because what happened when I used this size of needle was that my locks were really fluffy and thick in the beginning. If you saw my first video, you see that my hair is like really poofy, and I like big, thick hair. The downside is that when your locks are thick and fluffy, it has a lot of air and it's not really mature. So what happens is when you wash your hair, the locks come falling down. So when I washed my hair the first time, I lost an immense amount of locks. I think it was about, let's say, 25 locks. So that's when I realized, and the person I was following also posted, AJ Locs, that she had to use a smaller needle. So I also went out and bought a smaller needle. Yeah, so that's what happened. Apart from the redoing all my locks again, I added some blonde highlights. I'm really happy with the way it looks now. I think my hair has grown a bit, but not much. One of the reasons I got lock extensions to begin with is the fact that my hair grows extremely slow. Yeah, if I would have waited for my hair to reach this length, I would have waited like 20 years. I'm not kidding. My hair grows really slowly, and it also has different growth levels on different parts of my head. You know what I mean? Because like this lock is, for instance, like my hair has grown a lot on this side of my head. I think all of this is my hair up till here. But on the back of my head, I have these very short locks because the hair at the back of my head doesn't grow as fast as other parts of my head. So it's really weird. Or it breaks off basically. It does grow, but it's kind of breakage prone. So I'm super happy with my lock extensions. Definitely not thinking about taking them out. I hope I can take them out in the future when my own hair reaches a length that I'm happy with. Because one of the disadvantages of lock extensions for me is the fact that, how do I say it? My own hair doesn't always blend with the lock extensions really well. Let me see if I can find a good example of that. Like, okay, this is an example of a lock that looks really great, you know. This is my own hair, and this is the transitioning into the lock extension. You can basically not see anything. But I have other parts on my head where I have these weak points, as you can see here. You see, this is my hair, and this is the lock extension. And I have these weak points in my hair. As you can see, it bends at a weak point. And that's when the lock extension and my own hair don't want to really attach. Or they do attach because I keep reattaching them. But after washing them for a while, I can feel the weak points between the lock extensions and my own hair. So I've had to do a lot of maintenance on those parts of my head. So basically the lock doesn't really come out of my head when I wash them. When I wash my hair, I don't really notice any locks coming out, but after a few washes I notice there will be some weak points, and in the beginning I repaired them myself, which was very time consuming, but I'm so happy that I have found a loctician that I'm very happy with. And now I go in every 6 weeks to retighten my roots and also to fix the lock extensions that are trying to come loose from my hair. Yeah, so I go into the loctician salon every 6 weeks, which is a lot for some people because I know some people who only retwist their hair every 6 months. But me, I just like the neat look, you know. I just love having neat locks. When my hair is grown out and I don't have like neat parts, I just don't like that look. So, and I feel like my hair also breaks. When I don't retwist my hair, I have a lot of breakage. So I need my hair locked at all times. So yeah, I go to the loctician and she locks my hair, and it saves me so much time. When it comes to maintenance, I also used to do the interlocking, but I stopped because I feel like it was really not for me because it made my hair really thin and weak. You see, I'll be honest, I feel like I have thick hair, but that's because of the method my loctician uses to lock my hair. Because when I used to do interlocking on myself, the day I interlocked my hair was like flat. And if there's one thing I hate, is thin hair, flat hair. This hair is even not too big for me. I like big and poofy. So no, I felt so bad when I used to interlock my hair and my hair would be like really thin and flat. Like no. So yeah, that's what I do with maintenance. I go to a loctician and I'm super happy with that decision. When it comes to products I use, well, like I said, my hair breaks a lot, and that's because I have very dry hair. Yeah, so it dries out easily and then it breaks. So what I need to do is keep my hair moisturized at all times. I didn't really do well in the beginning. I only used oils. And oils do not add moisture to your hair. The only thing that really adds moisture to your hair is water. So you need to use a water-based product if your hair is dry, not just slather or some oil. That doesn't really help anyway. So I bought a water-based product. This product is called Shadow. It's like a leave-in conditioner, and it's really great. It really helped my hair. But you know what happened? It got discontinued. So I was bummed out because I could only get one. My electrician advised this to me. I could only get one, and then it was discontinued. So what did I do? I just looked up all the ingredients on this product, and I bought the ingredients one by one separately. And I decided I'll make my own. Even though I don't know the exact formula, I have all the ingredients. So this actually, what's in here right now is a formula I made myself using the ingredients at the back. When it comes to oils, because I still use oils, I didn't stop using oils, but I don't use it as my main way of maintaining my hair. The spray, I will spray maybe once a week. And the oil I use is pure avocado oil. I've started using this for my body too, and I'm super excited about it. It's basically odorless, but it makes my skin and hair feel really good and healthy. And of course, when I wash my hair, I use argan oil. The shampoo I use is like a natural tea tree shampoo, no chemicals. So yeah, I'm very happy with the products I use now. Very happy with my loctician and happy with the way my locks look. So yeah, this journey has been great. I'm happy with my decision to get lock extensions. So yeah, what is left? I can give you a close-up view. What I'm really happy and proud of is my lock to part ratio, because when you make your locks, you have to make sure that your parts are thick enough for the locks you're making. And as you can see, my parts, my own hair, the parts of my own hair is not thinner than a lock extension. Like, it looks natural. And I feel like I did really well in terms of that, being an amateur. So yeah, this is a close-up look of my locks. And yeah. Like I said, I love thick hair, and I'm glad my hair is not too thin on its own, because if you have thin hair yourself and you add a lot of lock extensions, it will look unnatural, because then your hair will be thin on top and then very thick down. But lock extensions definitely do help to add some thickness to your hair. When it comes to styles, I haven't really been doing any styles at all. What I've done, I'll just make some braids and I'll take them out. This is actually a very old braid out. I think it's like 3 weeks now. So my hair is normally a lot straighter than this. But normally when I have a braid out, when I take it out fresh, my hair will be a lot more curly. This is just an old braid out. This is my hair, how my hair looks like that. So it's actually time for me to wash my hair again, because I wash my hair every 3 weeks. So yeah, this was my update of my lock extensions. I hope it helps somebody. I answer all the questions I get, so if you have a question, just leave them down below. If you have specific topic you want me to make a video about, please give me suggestions, because I really don't know what kind of videos I could make about my locks anymore, because they're just there now. And I'm happy to have shared it with you guys. So let me know what kind of videos you want me to make, because I don't know. I don't know what you want to know about these locks. They're just here, as you can see. So I think I'll just keep this as it is. And one style I love doing is a high bun. This is my hair in a high bun. I have struggle edges, but that's not the fault of the lock extension. I just have struggle edges. So this is my hair all together in a bun, and I think I have like 130 locks or something, 120, something like that. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I've told you all I could think of. Let me know what you want me to make a video about, and I'll do it for you. So have a nice